Once upon a time there was a man called Prince Foel, and he was betrothed to a woman called Gwendolen. One day Foel had to go protect Wales from some invaders in Shrewsbury. He bid farewell to Gwendolen and gave her a ring, saying they'll get married when he's back. So he set off to Clanmannock Hill, where he could get a good view of his enemies approaching. He set up loads of guards so he could see the enemies approaching, and told them if they fell asleep they'd be killed. At home, Gwendolen was very sad and had a massive tantrum because she wanted to see Foel. So she got dressed up as a man and set off on a long journey to join him. When she got there, she saw a guard and told him to send this ring to Foel, but he couldn't because he couldn't leave his post unattended. So Gwendolen took over. Prince Foel couldn't sleep because he was thinking of Gwendolen and how much he missed her. So he went around checking all the guards to see if they were asleep. None of them were, until he got to the guard who was Gwendolen. She was fast asleep as she'd had a very long journey and was very tired. So he stabbed her because she'd been a traitor. And then he said, "Don't you recognise me, friend?" Prince Foel recognised the voice and the face and was like, "Who are you?" And Gwendolen was like, "It's me, Gwendolen. I must see Prince Foel." Prince Foel was very shocked and felt very bad because he stabbed Gwendolen. They did everything they could to save her, but sadly she died. She was buried in a grave on Clanmannock Hill, and they planted a hawthorn tree on top, which still flourishes to this day.